Hello students, from today we are going to start our mathematics part 1 study. First chapter is sets. So let us start with its introduction. In everyday life we often speak of collection of objects of a particular kind such as bouquet of flowers, herd of cows, crowd of people, etc. In mathematics also, we come across collections, for example, natural numbers, prime numbers, odd even numbers, etc. We note that each of these examples is a well-defined collection of objects in the sense that we can definitely decide whether a given particular object belongs to a given collection or not. For example, we can say that the river Nile or Amazon does not belong to the collection of rivers in the India. On the other hand, Ganga does belong to this collection. Again, if I want the group of most beautiful girls in the world, the answer is not same for everyone. That is, it is not well defined collection of girls because the criteria for determining a beautifulness may vary from person to person. Thus, it is not a well defined collection. Therefore, we shall say that a set is a well defined collection of objects. Sets are denoted by capital English letters, capital A, capital B, capital C, and so on. The members or elements of the set. The individual object of the set is known as the member or an element of the set. These elements or members of the set are denoted by lowercase letters, that is small a, small b, small c, and so on. If 6 is an element of set A, we say that 6 belongs to set A. जर 6 हा अंक A ह्या सेटचा घटक असेल, म्हणजेच सेट A मध्ये जर 6 हा अंक येत असेल, तर आपण असं म्हणतो की 6 belongs to set A and it is written as 6 belongs to A. This is epsilon symbol, Greek symbol epsilon. It is also read as 6 is an element of set A or 6 is a member of set A. If B is not an element of set A, then it is written as B does not belong to A. This is another symbol where this symbol stands for is not an element of or is not a member of. So, if for example 7 is not an element of set A, we can say that 7 does not belong to set A. Activity for you. Put the proper sign in the box. Write the example in your notebook. V is the set of vowels in the English alphabet. So put the proper sign in the box. Second example. In the set P of prime numbers, also write the proper signs in the boxes. Write in your notebook. Now, methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets. First one is the listing method, or it is also known as roster method. And the second one is rule method or set builder form. So let us learn more about listing method. Observe the diagram. Now the rules for writing the set in listing method. First one, all the elements are enclosed within the curly bracket. Second one, elements are separated by commas. There must be commas between two elements or between two members. The order of the elements in the set is immaterial. याचाच अर्थ जर जे एलिमेंट्स आपण लिहिणार आहोत त्यांचा क्रम जरी मागे पुढे झाला तरी चालतो. Last one, if the element or member is repeated, it is listed only once. याचाच अर्थ जर एखादा एलिमेंट दोन वेळा येत असेल तर तो एकदाच लिहावा लागतो, पुन्हा पुन्हा लिहिला जात नाही. याचे एक्झाम्पल आपण पुढे बघणारच आहोत. प्रॅक्टिस सेट. Write the following sets in roster method or listing method. Set of even natural numbers. याबद्दल आपल्याला माहिती आहे. Set A equal to in curly bracket even natural numbers start from true 2. So 2, 4, 6 dot dot dot. This is the answer. Second one, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. There is only one even prime number. Which is it? It is 2. So the answer is P equal to in curly bracket write 2. Third one, set of human sensory organs. The answer is the set denoted by capital X equal to in curly bracket 5 sensory organs are denoted here: nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. The fourth example is set of letters in the word book. Here O is repeated and so it comes only once in the listing method. So capital B equal to in the curly bracket the letters denoted as B, O and K. Don't write O 2 times. Homework for you. Write the following set in the roster or listing method. Set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of prime numbers between 1 to 20, set of letters in the word complement, and set of 7 basic sounds of a sargam. So complete this homework in your notebook. In the next lecture, we will see more about the set builder form or rule method. Thank you.